Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mintop Minoxidil 5%. First, ensure your scalp and hair are completely dry before applying the solution. It's also crucial to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before you begin. Always take a moment to read the product instructions carefully for any specific guidance or warnings. Now, let's talk about applying it. Using the provided dropper or spray applicator, apply 1 milliliter of the solution directly to the areas of your scalp experiencing hair thinning. Gently massage the liquid into your scalp with your fingertips for a few seconds. Be careful not to let it drip onto other parts of your face or neck. After applying, it's important to let the solution dry completely. This usually takes at least 4 hours, so avoid washing your hair or scalp during this time. Once it's dry, you can style your hair as usual. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly again after you've finished applying the solution. For best results, apply Mintop Minoxidil 5% twice daily, typically once in the morning and once in the evening. Consistency is truly key, so try to make it a regular part of your routine. If you notice any unexpected side effects or have concerns, please consult a healthcare professional promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.